What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we got a sweet and short video for you guys, and today's video is all about this dual channel dash camera from DDPAI. So if you do have a nice car like mine, you definitely need a dash camera to protect you. Trust me, you don't think that you're gonna need it until you need it. I'm gonna give you guys a quick example why you would need a dash camera. So let's say you're randomly driving down the road minding your own business, and a car comes and cuts you off, then slams its brakes, and you're forced to rear end them. In the eyes of the law, you are at fault. You hit them from the back. They don't know the context. They don't know that that person cut you off. They don't know any of that. It's your word versus the other person. The other person is most likely gonna lie and say you just rear-ended them. But if you have a dash camera, that could save all of that, all the expenses, the tickets. It'll pretty much show proof that that person cut you off and they're at fault. And that's why it's important to have a dash camera. So here's the packaging. It's a dual channel dash camera with 1600p high resolution. Let's turn the box around. That's pretty much how the box looks. This way, okay. And then let's take these out. So you have two boxes in there. It's very difficult to do with one hand, so bear with me. Okay. So you got this, which is the rear camera, and then you got this, which I believe is the main dash camera. Let's figure out how to open it up. Just like that. You got your manual in here. All right, that's cool. Ooh, look at that. That is so nice. All right, let's take the camera out. Here's what the camera looks like. Got the mic. And then here's where the micro SD card goes. Look at that. That is cool. Let's put that here. And you got the wiring here. And then let's see what else you got here. Ooh. You got the suction cup. Pretty small suction cup, so it's not gonna take too much room on your windshield. Alright, you got, what's this? Oh, okay, this is for your charging port for this wire. Alright, now let's put that here. Let's open the rear camera. Take everything out. So you got more wiring, and then you got the camera hiding in there. Okay. Again, super difficult to do with one hand. All right, here it is. So that's the rear camera. You got 3M tape, so it'll pretty much stick to your back window. And that's pretty much everything that comes with it. And before we install the dash camera, I'm gonna run through all the cool specs. So it captures the video in 2K. It's resistant to extreme temperatures as low as -4 degrees and as high as 158 degrees. It's explosion proof, and it won't overheat, it won't explode, or it won't melt. So it's super safe. It can handle up to 512 gigabyte micro SD card, although it's not included with the camera. It also has 24-hour parking monitor, but it does need the Hardwire kit, which could be purchased online and should be installed by a professional. And you get the sense reality effect and app control. It allows you to view your driving route, your speed. You also get a built-in GPS and G sensor, which can accurately track your driving location, your speed, and your route, all with the free app by the smartphone. And as far as the front camera, it can record in 140 degrees and the rear in 125 degrees, and it also has night footage. So overall, you're getting a very high quality dash camera, and it's super affordable. So now let's get to my favorite part, where we get to install this dash cam. And here's everything you're gonna need to install this dash camera. Obviously, you're gonna need the camera itself, then you need the charger, and then you need the wiring, and then you need the suction cup. So you're gonna take the camera, as you can see, and you're gonna just put it right here. And boom, just like that, it's in place and you are done. All you need now is some power. So we're gonna take this, go here, and then just put it in there. And then the other end goes right into the camera, just like that. So now you got power. You obviously need to turn the car on. All right, and just like that, the camera, I believe, is on. Okay, let's see.
Hello, DDPAI.
Oh, look at it. It talks to you too. So this is actually not a suction cup. It's a super sticky material that works really, really well. So we're gonna take it and put it right here, and then you could also adjust it to whichever way you want it. So now we're gonna go out for a drive and put the dash camera into use, and I'm gonna show you guys the exact footage that the camera is seeing. So before you can record, you will need to get a micro SD card and insert it into the dash camera. Then you will go into the manual and scan the barcode so you can download the app. And the manual has all the instructions you need. Then you will open up the app and connect your camera, and it is just that easy. So as you can see, the quality of the footage is really, really good, and you also get the speed limit and the direction you're traveling to, and you can download the footage whenever you want, all from your app. And for those who don't want a wire just hanging right here, you could also get the Hardwire kit. They also offer that if you just kind of want all your wires tucked in. And here's exactly what my dash camera is seeing. I can see it all from my phone, and it's recording, and you can pretty much go back and play back the old footage. As you can see, it shows you all of that. And don't forget, you also get the rear camera with the 3M tape, so it sticks right to the window. You could connect it, and you could get footage from the front of your car and the rear of your car. And while I still got you guys here, let's check out what comes with the Hardwire kit. So you got the manual, got a bunch of wires, more wires, and I really recommend you guys installing the dash cam with the Hardwire kit, just so you don't see any wires, and you get the 24-hour surveillance. So if you leave your car out somewhere, you get all the footage and everything that's happening while you're not with the car. So the only thing left to do now is to get one for the Z06. We got one for the GT500. Now we need one for the Z06, and I'd be good to go. So big shout out to DDPAI. I don't even know how to say their name. I apologize. It's DDPAI. They have a very, very different name, and I'm not really good with remembering things. So big shout out to them. I'm gonna leave their links in the description. And don't be one of those people that says they don't need a dash camera until something happens, then they wish they had a dash camera. Don't put yourself in that situation. And here's the exact model that I have installed in my car. This isn't the only model they offer. They offer different models. They even offer one with a screen. They offer one that attaches to your mirror. They offer many different models. Go check them out. Link in the description. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, but whoever is watching from that company, I need another one for my Corvette. You can't leave me with only one here. I need one for the Corvette. I love you. Thank you, and see you on the next one.